We guide you through how to make a domain email in Outlook so you can use a professional email address with your own domain. First thing you need to do is purchase a domain name and email hosting service from a provider like Microsoft 365, GoDaddy, or another supported host. Once your domain email is created, open Outlook and go to Settings or File. Then, select Add Account. Enter your custom domain email address and click Connect. Outlook will automatically detect the server settings, or you may need to enter them manually if your provider requires it. After signing in with your domain email password, Outlook will finishing syncing account. Once added, you can send and receive emails using your custom domain directly in Outlook, giving your messages a professional look for business or personal use.